spread hate, delusion, greed, anger, all those things in the universe. We've been doing that for so long. Most of us, majority of us, would do that because we are not aware of our thoughts, of our speech, of our actions. That is why we always spread all those things to the universe. So when we spread all those bad things to the universe, when it's full, when it's enough, it will come back to us. That is why we've been receiving so much sufferings, disaster, and so many things around us. It's not something that is out of the blue and then it's just come. It's just that because we are living in this world and we added to it. One person spread, just throw one dot of hatred to the universe, and all the people here throwing dots of hatred into the universe, it will return, just like throwing the ball to the wall, it will bounce back. What if all of us here chance that instead of throwing hatred, anger, and greed and delusion and all that into the universe, we now throw in loving kindness, compassion, and peace to the universe? What will turn out? The universe will shower back with love, kindness, compassion, and peace to all beings. Fair enough? But I have to mention one thing. Earlier that I mentioned that there are so many ancestors, there are so many brave people who try to bring peace to the world, and yet of course it can only bring peace to a portion of the world, and to the amount of people cannot change this world. No one in this world can. And our fellow monks are the same. We cannot change this world. And they have sacrificed their lives just because they want to have freedom for their country, for the world. They want to have peace for the people. That is why they stand up, they do something in exchange for peace to all of us here. And they have died. And we are the people who still survive. We still live in this world, which is this is the future generation and many more future generations. We live, but we don't have gratitude towards those people. Why is that? It's because we still hold anger, hatred, because of their death. So that one time at the state capital of Alabama, I have stated this. They have died because peace and freedom for all of us to live in this world. It is now time that we should